Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator in a Ford Expedition. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including various screwdrivers, a socket set, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Then, gently pry off the interior door panel, working your way around the edges to release all clips and expose the inner workings of the door. Now, let's remove the old regulator. Carefully detach the window glass from the regulator mechanism. You might need to support the glass with tape or a wedge. Next, locate and unplug the electrical connector that powers the window motor. Finally, identify and unscrew all the mounting bolts that hold the old regulator assembly to the door frame, allowing you to remove it completely. With the old regulator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new window regulator assembly into the door cavity, aligning it with the mounting holes. Insert and tighten all the mounting bolts to secure the regulator firmly in place. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical plug to the window motor, ensuring a snug and proper connection for power. Almost done, reconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal and test the window's operation, ensuring it moves smoothly up and down. Once confirmed, reattach the window glass to the new regulator mechanism. Finally, carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all clips engage properly, and reattach any trim pieces or switches you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.